हाय गाइस, स्वागत है आप लोगों का मेरे चैनल पे। मेरा नाम जानत है। अगर आप लौट के आ रहे हो, थैंक यू आपके लाइक, सब्सक्रिप्शंस, कमेंट्स के लिए, आपके डोनेशन के लिए, आपके फुल ऑन सपोर्ट के लिए। अगर आप पहली बार आ रहे हो तो सब्सक्राइब जरूर से कर दीजिएगा। ये लव लेटर नंबर 28 है, ठीक है। ओके, ये इंग्लिश में है। मैं जानती हूँ आप में से बहुत से लोग इंग्लिश नहीं समझते हो, बट मैंने पहले भी ये बात कहा है कि कुछ चैनलिंग स्पेसिफिकली सिर्फ इंग्लिश में आता है, एंड बीच बीच में मैं इंग्लिश में रीडिंग ही करती हूँ। प्रॉब्ली इसलिए क्योंकि ये स्पेसिफिकली किसी एक इंसान के लिए है और वो इंग्लिश में ही कनेक्ट कर पाते हैं, ठीक है। तो अगर आपको नहीं समझ में आता है, बहुत सारे लेटर्स चैनल होते हैं, आप दूसरे लेटर्स देख लेना या किसी से कह देना कि थोड़ा सा ट्रांसलेट कर दे, क्योंकि ये जो फ़्लो है ना, जो इंग्लिश में आता है वो इंग्लिश में ही वो फ़्लो अच्छा लगता है, एंड जो हिंदी में होता है वो तो मतलब एक अलग ही फ़्लो में आता है, वो तो ज़बरदस्त होता ही है, ठीक है ना। तो प्लीज़ माइंड मत करना। वैसे भी माइंड करके कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है। जैसे मैं गाइडेड फील करूँगी मैं वैसे ही डिलीवर करने वाली हूँ, मैं उसे ऑल्टर तो नहीं कर सकती, राइट। ओके, अब मैं लेटर पढ़ती हूँ। डियर लव, there have been a lot of times when I have let you down. I so desperately wanted to be honest, and I thought I was. But truth be told, deep down inside my heart, I felt a lack of clarity in myself. And this has nothing to do with you. There were a lot of questions I did not have answers to, and I had to soul search and find them. I wanted to be authentic and have a clear vision of who I am and where I was going. And I had to look within. There were a lot of things that I wasn't happy with, surrounded with chaos. My soul cried, all this is so wrong, and wanted to fix it and do whatever it takes. And I am giving my all. Amidst of all the crazy, I felt a need of change. I felt a need to change my perspective, a call to take a different approach to love. Baby, I love you. I always have. I didn't want to walk away. It wasn't a breakup. My inner voice said, this love we have is pure and it will take a lot of work to get it right. I didn't dump you. I just wanted to cleanse the toxicity and I had to find the correct way and tools to do it. Baby, I don't blame you. I myself wasn't clear, so obviously I couldn't explain myself properly. I know slowly you are realizing you should have been more attentive and considerate of my feelings, emotions, and my words, but Babu, let it go. We both were too young, and awakening is not easy. We both needed the separation to figure things out. I love you, and I am excited to share everything with you and hear you out. Remember, we always have had the urge to tell each other everything. It's still there. I can't wait to hold you in my arms again, run into your arms and stare into your eyes. I couldn't get enough of it. I never got bored of it. I feel you, baby. I feel you disappointed. I feel you, baby. I feel you disappointed, both of us. I broke your heart too. You hated the physical separation, and I take responsibility for it. We are still connected, Shona, and we are working things out in our own ways. Just know, I didn't break our promise. I didn't give up. Don't cry. You didn't get cheated on or lied to. Your heart is, will be always safe with me. I nurture it every day. You can trust this process. I love you. I don't know anything else other than just loving you. It comes so natural to me. I feel our energy blending in, souls becoming one, slowly, steadily, but surely. It's so profound and stable and smooth, peaceful all at once. Our love is profound, baby, so pure and uplifting. It's difficult for me to put in words. I just feel and I embrace. I know you protect us. Just know our love is strong enough to survive and thrive because it is in its nature. Just flow. Flow with the natural course. Don't try to stop it. Don't try to go against it. Don't try to tame it. Let it just expand. Let it be what it's meant to be from your other half.